Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you what I did with this white chalk marker. Now I've used these for a number of years, and especially when the kids were little, when they was doing their ABCs at home or their maths homework, and they was getting really frustrated and hated sitting at the table doing it. So I came up with the idea was they could draw on the windows with this, and it made it fun and exciting, so they loved that. But what I used with it now is that I've come up with these little stones, well, large stones, but these were in my back garden, so I thought I could use these, which I have done here. Now the idea I came up with that because I bought one of these, and these were like £1.49, and I thought £1.49 for a stone, so this is what I come up with. So if you want to know all the pretty patterns what I've done, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Just a small little thing before I go is that if your child is feeling stressed or they've got anxiety, if you do a little stone like this with a heart on, or you can write love on, then they can put it in their pocket. So if they're at school and they're being bullied or they've got anxiety or stress, then they can hold it and then they can know that mum or dad is there with them. It helped my kids a lot. So if you've liked the video, give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press the notification bell because that will let you know when I've made my next creation.